JData, more efficient, less mistakes, more innovation, less lost time, more technology. JData is an information technology company dedicated to software development for transport, warehouse, logistics, and inventory. Cloud rental solutions, the latest generation platform with no restrictions on the use of hardware devices, which can be used on all devices with latest generation browsers. Reliability, easy to use. J7WMS, software platform for the management of warehouse logistics and e-commerce. JLog, software platform for transport companies. And again, JInventory, software platform for managing inventory campaigns. JCatch, software dedicated to mobile devices for data collection. Sleepy, management software for companies and shops. Sleepy Fashion, management software for companies and fashion stores. JData, information technology solution.